Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Choose SAML or OIDC and confirm the provider, tenant, and app registration details. Next, fetch metadata, issuer, redirect URL, and public cert thumbprint, because you'll need exact values later. Create a dev/test application and a service account so you can iterate without impacting production. Once done, store client ID and client secret securely and open your app's SSO configuration page. This lets you paste values and begin the mapping and flow tests immediately. Now configure the assertion or ID token, map email, display name, and groups to application attributes, and set the name ID format correctly so authentication succeeds. Adjust token lifetimes and choose signing algorithms that match your provider and app. Mismatches cause subtle failures. Implement attribute-based access controls if needed and generate a signed assertion to test. Use a dev user, run an auth flow, and capture the raw response so you can verify claims and troubleshoot mapping issues without affecting live users. Complete the rollout by replacing test keys with production certificates and rotating secrets. Make sure to enable logging and monitoring for authentication events. Perform full end-to-end tests, login, logout, session timeout, and failed login scenarios to validate behavior. Once live, watch for alerts and audit logs for unexpected errors. If something breaks, first check clock skew between systems, confirm certificate validity and matching thumbprints, and validate exact claim names and formats. Those 3 checks resolve most SSO failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.